Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your BMW Roundel. First, gather your tools. You'll need a new roundel, a plastic pry tool to avoid scratching your paint, and a clean cloth. Make sure your car's surface around the emblem is clean and dry. This prevents dirt from getting trapped and ensures a smooth installation. Working in good lighting will also help you see clearly and avoid any mistakes during the process. Let's get started with the removal. Now let's remove the old roundel. Take your plastic pry tool and carefully slide it under the edge of the existing emblem. Apply gentle, even pressure to slowly lift it. You'll feel the clips release as you work your way around. Once it's off, inspect the area. Clean any old adhesive residue or dirt from the mounting surface. A clean surface is crucial for the new roundel to sit flush and securely. Take your time with this step. With the surface clean, it's time to install your new roundel. Notice the two small pins on the back of the new emblem. These align with the holes on your car. Carefully position the new roundel over the mounting holes. Once aligned, press down firmly on the center of the emblem. You should hear and feel it click securely into place. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's properly seated and flush with the car's surface. It should look perfect. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your BMW Roundel. Take a moment to double-check its alignment and ensure it's perfectly secure. This small upgrade makes a big difference in your car's overall look. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Also, for those interested in improving their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book, The Simple Path to Wealth, and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.